AI in inventory management, beginner level, introduction. AI in inventory management refers to using artificial intelligence to track, manage, and optimize stock levels in businesses. Inventory includes raw materials, products in storage, finished goods ready for sale. Managing inventory is challenging due to demand fluctuations, overstocking, stock shortages, storage costs. AI helps businesses make inventory management smarter, automated, efficient, cost-effective. Examples of AI in inventory management include demand forecasting, stock level optimization, automated reordering, warehouse tracking, sales pattern analysis. What is AI in inventory management? AI in inventory management is the use of intelligent systems to monitor and control stock efficiently. In simple words, AI inventory management equals using smart systems to keep the right products in the right quantity at the right time. A beginner-level system includes demand prediction, stock monitoring, reordering system, inventory optimization, automation. Why AI in inventory management is important. Businesses face issues like overstock, wasted money, stockouts, lost sales, poor demand prediction, manual errors. AI helps by predicting demand accurately, reducing waste, preventing stock shortages, automating inventory processes, improving efficiency. Key features of AI inventory systems. Feature purpose, demand forecasting, predict product demand, stock monitoring, track inventory levels, reorder automation, order products automatically, optimization, maintain ideal stock levels, data analysis, analyze sales trends. AI systems analyze data like inventory data equals product, laptop, stock, 50, demand, 80, price, 1,000. Simple inventory decision example. Stock equals 50, demand equals 80. If stock demand, print restock needed. Else, print stock sufficient. How AI in inventory management works. Step 1. Collect data. AI collects data from sales records, inventory systems, warehouse systems, customer demand. Example. Sales equals 100. Stock equals 40. Step 2. Analyze patterns. AI detects sales trends. Example. If sales greater than 80, print high demand. Step 3. Predict demand. AI forecasts future demand. Example. Predicted demand equals sales plus 20. Print predicted demand. Predicted demand. Step 4. Optimize inventory. AI suggests stock levels. Example. If predicted demand greater than stock, print order more items. Step 5. Automate reordering. AI can automatically place orders. Example. Auto order equals true. If auto order, print order placed automatically. AI in demand forecasting sales equals 120. If sales greater than 100, print increase stock. AI in stock monitoring stock equals 20. If stock temperate, print low stock alert. AI in reorder automation stock equals 10. If stock less 20, print auto reorder triggered. AI in inventory optimization cost equals 5,000. If cost equals 4,000, print reduce inventory cost. AI in sales analysis trend. If trend equals up, print demand increasing. Full menu-based AI inventory system, Python. Def demand forecast. Sales is int input, enter sales. If sales over 100, print high demand. Else, print normal demand. Def stock check. Stock equals int input, enter stock level. If stock is less than 30, print low stock. Else, print stock sufficient. Def reorder. Stock is int input, enter stock level. If stock equals 20, print reorder placed. Else, print no reorder needed. Def optimization. cost equals int input, inventory cost. If cost greater than 4,000, print optimize inventory. Else, print cost acceptable. While true, print N1 demand forecast. Print 2 stock check. Print 3 reorder. Print 4 optimization. Print 5 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, demand forecast. Elif choice equals 2, stock check. Elif choice equals 3, reorder. Elif choice equals 4, optimization. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else, print invalid option. Concepts learned from AI inventory management. Check demand prediction. Check data analysis. Check automation. Check optimization. Check decision making. Real life analogy. AI in inventory management is like a smart store manager who tracks product sales, predicts future demand, maintains optimal stock, orders products automatically, reduces waste. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding machine learning forecasting models, real-time inventory tracking, barcode, QR, scanning system, database integration, dashboard visualization, integration with e-commerce platforms. Common mistakes beginners make. Next, ignoring demand trends. X, overstocking products. X, not automating reorders. X, using static rules. X, ignoring seasonal changes. Where AI inventory systems are used. AI inventory systems are used in retail stores, e-commerce companies, warehouses, manufacturing industries, logistics companies. Advanced systems include automated warehouses, smart inventory tracking, predictive stock systems, real-time analytics platforms. Simple definition. AI in inventory management. The use of artificial intelligence to track, manage, and optimize inventory levels. Final summary. AI in inventory management is a powerful application of AI in business operations. It helps beginners learn. Check. Prediction. Check. Optimization. Check. Automation. Data-driven decisions. It plays a key role in modern retail, logistics, and supply chain systems.